Vehicles are the backbone of any freight business. As an entrepreneur, you know the importance of keeping your fleet in top-tier condition to avoid any unexpected breakdowns, delays, or accidents. You may also be interested in expanding your existing business to reach a wider audience or newer locations. Regardless of your goal, you will require a hefty investment to keep your business thriving. Box trucks normally transport dry and non-perishable goods and are highly versatile and cost-effective. The enclosed cargo space protects the items from damage, vandalism, and theft. Moreover, you don't have to worry about connecting and disconnecting a trailer whenever you need to carry something big or heavy. Simply load the cargo, shut the truck doors, and head out. Whether you are planning to purchase a box truck for the first time or add more trucks to your fleet, financing trucks via a direct loan is typically the best way to go for your business. New box trucks can cost anywhere from $25,000 to $90,000, depending on their condition, model, age, and performance. Light-duty trucks fall under $25,000 to $45,000, while heavy-duty trucks can go as high as $50,000 to $90,000. Refrigerated box trucks can cost an additional $10,000. Even if your current business is flourishing, you may not always have the working capital to finance a heavy investment like this. This is where a lending company comes in. National Truck Loans has been in the market for 15 years, providing well-rounded solutions for commercial vehicle financing, including box trucks. We are direct lenders, so there is no involvement from third-party intermediaries, making the process quicker and more cost-effective. Moreover, it allows us to stay in touch with our customers from start to finish and guide them through every step. Our goal is to build a family and bring back repeat customers. If you're in the market for a new box truck and need financing, head over to nationaltruckloans.com and tell them I sent you.